ASUS TUF Gaming A17 2023 Gaming Laptop, 17.3 inches FHD 144Hz display, GeForce RTX 4060, AMD Ryzen 77735HS, 16GB DDR5, 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, Wi-Fi 6, Windows 11, A17 NVIDIA 74 list price, $1,499.99. ASUS TUF Gaming A17 2023 Gaming Laptop, 17.3 inches FHD 144Hz display, GeForce RTX 4050, AMD Ryzen 77735HS, 16GB DDR5, 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, Wi-Fi 6, Windows 11, A7 NUDS 74, Mecha Grey list price, $1,249.99. ASUS TUF Gaming A17 2023 Gaming Laptop, 17.3 inches FHD 144Hz display, GeForce RTX 4050, AMD Ryzen 9794OHS, 16GB DDR5, 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, Wi-Fi 6, Windows 11, A7 XUEH94 list price, $1,099.99. ASUS TUF Gaming A15 2023 Gaming Laptop, 15.6 inches FHD 144Hz display, GeForce RTX 4070, AMD Ryzen 7794OHS, 16GB DDR5, 1TB PCIe SSD, Wi-Fi 6, Windows 11, FA507 XIEH94 list price, $1,349.99. Ready for anything? Jump right into the action with Windows 11, an AMD Ryzen 77940HS CPU, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU at 140W Max TGP. Swift memory and storage, multitask faster with 16GB of DDR5 4800 MHz memory and speed up loading times with 1TB of PCIe 4x4. Never miss a moment. Keep up with the pros thanks to its fast FHD 144Hz display with 100% sRGB color. Adaptive Sync Tech reduces lag, minimizes stuttering, and eliminates visual tearing for ultra-smooth and lifelike gameplay. Blow away the competition. The TUF is equipped to handle its high-power CPU with a pair of 84-blade arc flow fans which improves cooling performance without extra noise. Mux switch with Advanced Optimus. A Mux switch increases laptop gaming performance by 5-10% by routing frames directly from the DGPU to the display bypassing the iGPU. With Advanced Optimus, the switch between iGPU and DGPU becomes automatic based on the task, optimizing battery life. Military-grade toughness. In order to earn the TUF Gaming name, these laptops must successfully survive a rigorous battery of mil STD 810H tests. Test devices are exposed to drops, vibration, humidity, and extreme temperatures to ensure reliability. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, get a free 90-day pass and gain access to over 100 high-quality games. With games added all the time, there's always something new to play. The ASUS TUF Gaming A15 is a powerful gaming laptop designed to deliver high performance and reliability. With a Windows 11 operating system, an AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPU, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPU, it is ready for anything. The DDR5 4800 MHz memory and PCIe 4.0 storage make multitasking faster and loading times quicker. Its FHD 144Hz display with 100% sRGB color and Adaptive Sync Tech provides ultra-smooth and lifelike gameplay. The TUF is equipped with a pair of 84-blade arc flow fan to improve cooling performance without extra noise. The Mux switch with Advanced Optimus technology allows for automatic switching between iGPU and DGPU based on the task, optimizing battery life. The laptop has undergone rigorous mil STD 810H tests to ensure reliability, making it military-grade tough.